Thank you for not using chemicals.
Pesticide-Free Balerno are doing a great job keeping our road edges and all other places where weeds grow free and clean without chemicals.
Thank you for not using chemicals.
Thank you very much for trying to keep Balerno pesticide-free. Thank you.
As a resident in New Mills, I would like to thank these ladies for not only the weeding they're doing without pesticides, but the communication they have with the people who live here. And they're just wonderful.
Thank you very much for not using chemicals.
Thank you very much for not using chemicals. Thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much.